Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Microsoft and the way the chart has moved from the lows of 2019. So it has already given a rise of 75 odd percent, and currently we can see some sort of correction. Obviously it won't be bad if the stock takes its own time, correct a bit and consolidate a bit. It would be good that the stock will not go in a hurry from one direction to another direction in one shot, and then again it falls back very sharply. It will hurt lots of people. So obviously this is a good thing to happen if the stock is does make a short-term correction and consolidating in a particular range or within a range. Now just understand the levels which are important for you and which one can look at for taking position, and one can find a good risk reward. So let's understand that 198.68 and 196.79, these are your two important support levels which you need to look at. Okay, number one. Now where does your good support level lies will definitely be this level 189.39, within 189.39 to 188. Why? Because this was your previous range, so this was the resistance. It falls back and again went up, it falls back, consolidate and made a breakout. So now it becomes a very strong support. So I am not saying that it will definitely come here, so that stock will decide whether it will come here or not, or whether it will bounce back from the current level. But the thing is, this is a level where you can find a risk reward which is much better than the current level. That's what I'm saying. So you need to look at the support, where does it lie, and place your stop losses accordingly. But if it start moving up from the current level, then you have 215 as your big next target or resistance, and then you have 230. So these are the two levels which you need to look at and act accordingly. Yes, it is 215, yes. So this is what you need to look at and act accordingly. Now one more thing to understand is, if in case the stock falls below 188 or 188 odd levels, then this is a point of concern, because now once you do that, technically I'm not saying it will happen, but technically you are open to for this entire range. Okay, there are lots of support and resistance which will come in between, but technically if you fall in below this range, then the entire range will get activated, and then we will see how the trend looks like afterwards. So this is in case of in any adverse scenario, but right now with this kind of upside and the way the stock is moving, it is probably positive in its trend, but there are some corrections or consolidation which is a part of the game, and that's where you need to look or find a spot from where you can earn some profit out of it. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.